nostalgic because you have a mixture of like 50s and 70s cars, and it's at the beach, and you get that San Francisco fog rolling in, and it's such a vibe. Like coffee in hand, walking, looking at all these classic cars. It's a good time. It's a really early show, but I'm a early bird, so it works out. It works out just fine. I actually have to get gas right now, so I'm on my way to the gas station as usual. So to pump gas in a 67, 68 Mustang, you know, you gotta get a good formation and squat a little bit. My car leaks gasoline a bit, so always gotta be careful. Funny story actually, when I first got my Mustang, the gas gauge didn't work, so I didn't know how much gas was in my car, and I was driving on the freeway. Thank you. I was driving on the freeway, and I just hear like these noises, and I'm just like, what is that? Next thing you know, my gas tank is empty, so that was fun. So it was $65 for 10 gallons. It's great. Alright, so now before going to the show, I'm meeting up with my friend Anthony. You guys have briefly seen him in my vlogs before, but it's so bright. Anyways, Anthony owns a really nice green 68 Chevelle, and he sent me this coffee spot last night. I've never been, so that's where I'm meeting him this morning. Look who it is.
Hello.
Hi. Can I just get a small oatmeal glacé?
Yeah, no problem. That's a sick camera.
Oh, appreciate it.
What are you filming?
How is it?
Good. You guys doing anything?
Okay, so we just made it to Ocean Beach. It's a nice sunny day, good weather. This is Eddie's Fastback, super nice. I haven't seen it in such a long time, but you got that pearl white. We are gonna take some videos and some photos. So this next montage you guys are gonna see is gonna be pretty cinematic.